So here's the WarmSpring unit on Chris's rooftop. You can see it's right next to, actually it's over top of the attic fan, and you can just barely see the pipes at the top. And now we're going to go around the side of the house and see how they come down into the actual pool pump. So here you can see the pipes coming down the roof, coming into existing pool pump equipment. And then, so this one, so Chris, this one is where the water, show me where the water goes up and where it comes down.
This is up. That
goes up?
Yeah.
Into the heat exchanger.
Yeah.
Right? And then this other one,
comes down.
The water comes down and that actually goes through your, does it go through your filter?
It goes through the filter before it goes into the smaller pump. So, yeah, the water is filtered.
Okay. Okay. Terrific. And so,
yeah,
you can actually just run the pump? Just run the small pump?
Yeah. So right now
turning the main pump off?
The small pump, and
it's going down through here. Barely hear it.
Yeah.
So let's go out to the pool and see where it's actually coming out. Okay, so right here is where the pump water is coming out. Let me feel the temperature. You know, just cool. And oh yeah, right where the water is coming out, it's really warm. That's actually really warm. Do you have any idea what the temperature is of the water coming out? How many gallons is your pool?
22,000.
22,000? And how?
That's like 97 degrees coming out.
97 degrees coming out.
Yeah.
And so how long does it take to actually heat up this pool?
To heat up this pool?
To like a 80, what were you saying? You saying the temperature is 84, 85 degrees?
Yeah, right now it's probably like maybe 86, or I can look on the, but usually it will lift the pool temperature by a couple of degrees each day. And so I think typically I get 4 degrees per day. Half of that I attribute to just the sunshine, and the other half is WarmSpring's contribution.
Excellent.
So
and you would say it extends the your ability to swim in your pool about how many weeks?
Let's see, I can usually get into my pool sometime in April.
That's pretty early.
Yeah, and see, I have a shady backyard, which is nice because you can get in the pool without sunscreen during the afternoons.
Right.
It's September 15th, and I've just been turned the WarmSpring back on just since we had the big rain about a week ago. So during the summer, the only thing that those things are doing is just providing attic ventilation and saving a little bit on the cooling bill.
I got it. And it extends your into usually like what, October?
Yeah, I've been always able to swim into October, and
excellent.
So.
And what about your spa? Does it actually heat up the water in your spa too?
Yeah, I've been able to get it up to 103 degrees, which is what just happens to be what the ideal temperature for a spa.
Great. Well, great. Awesome. Well, thank you, Chris.